So what we're going to do now is we're going to add load to the generator to show you how they share load. So we're going to add a load now, and you can see L1, L2 to L3 is picking up amperage, current draw. Right now it's about 50 amps. If I go over to this generator, you'll see it's approximately the same amount. So the generators are actually sharing load right now. So we have approximately 125 kW on both generators, and you can see that they're equal out around 70 to 80 amps. So one of the processes that Deep Sea has is what's called a soft unload process. And what it does is it sheds the current from one generator and adds it to the other generator slowly. So once this gets down to a certain level, you'll see the breaker open. It'll do a ramp off and then an opening. When I open this breaker, now we're doing ramp off. So you can see this is dropping and that's going up. That's called a slow unload. Once this gets to a certain point, the breaker will open, and now this is the only one handling the load. And in the same way it has a soft unload, it has a soft load. So if I close this breaker, it's going to do the same thing in reverse. Once it synchronizes, it'll close this breaker and it'll slowly add the current to this unit. Boom. Now you'll see this slowly come up and that slowly go down until they equal out. When we go to shut the units down, there's a couple of ways to do it. Normally you would open the breaker and then you would hit the red button with the white O once, and that'll put it in cool down mode. If it's an emergency and you need to shut it down quickly, you tap the red button twice and it will stop immediately. It'll skip this cool down mode. So right now I'm going to hit it once and show you the cool down mode. And you'll see up here, it'll say cooling down. And it times out. It's a 5-minute cool down. And what happens then is the big fans up top are going to come on and cool everything down.